Hello viewers, we are very fortunate at EcoView to have a very prominent guest with us. And before we move forward, sir, can we please have a brief intro of yours?
Yes, my name is Abhinav Yadav and I have done my undergraduation from BHU. I topped the faculty and the subject itself in UG, and currently I have pursued my master from the Department of Geography BHU, and I am the gold medalist of the department, and I am looking for the PhD admission to pursue my life and career further.
As I can see, you have got 4 gold medals. And first of all, many congratulations, all the best wishes for that. And that shows that you are a very bright student. You are one of the very few bright minds in the BHU. So what are your takes and what you would like to guide these future generations on this aspect?
First of all, thank you for your appreciation. And if you're talking about guiding the future generation, then make your one goal and pursue your goal without any kind of distractions. Follow the directions of your teachers and be motivated. One day you will make it.
Okay, if someone wants to pursue geography, so what are the major career options that he can look forward to? You have to say in few lines.
Okay. First is the academic, and second is the civil services. Then third is the UPS aspirants, and the remote sensing and GIS candidates can also pursue in the besides, you can pursue the regional planning as a career, and statistical institutes, and there are multiple.
Since you are very hardworking and very teacher's favorite student, but still I ask, how many classes you have bunked?
My attendance is about 100%. So it is not about bunking the class, but it is it is about that how you see the perspective towards your teachers, and if you make your interest in your discipline, you are never gonna to make a bunk of a class.
Okay, I see. So you're the teacher's favorite student, isn't it?
If you are very peculiar about your dream, and you are motivated and you are focused, they are also human being, and they are also academia very beast. So they are also looking for those person who are looking into that particular way that they have made, and they will help you, they will guide you to reach the ultimate goal of your life.
Okay, I see. So like you have said that you have done your UG from this BHU only, right? So what has been your experience of, I think, 5 years you have been in Varanasi. So what has been your experience? You have to say in 2 words.
First of all, for BHU, it is Sarva Vidya ki Rajdhani and Mahamana ki Bagiya. For that, we are the flowers of Mahamana ki Bagiya, and the fragrance of those flowers you can never miss, and we will miss the fragrance of this Mahamana ki Bagiya forever through the lifetime. And Banaras, it is unmatchable city. If you want to delve for some days, you can dwell here for years, but you will feel that it's
Just one word for Varanasi. What you would that be from? If you have to explain in the city of Varanasi in one word, so what would that be?
religious and mentally fantastic city.
Okay. And if I say, what is the biggest mischief? You are staying in hostel or outside?
I'm a day scholar, not
You are the scholar. So in the campus, what is the biggest mischief you have done?
in the campus. Biggest mischief. There is no as such.
No one will mind you because you are the favorite student of teachers.
No, it is not like that. A favorite student, but yeah, we when we are bored through the research work and the studies, then we go for a walk to go to VT, and for a walk for long hours with the friends.
There must be something that you cannot say, but you have to say it.
I cannot recall that.
Okay, no issue. Anyway, it was nice talking to you, sir. And as we from the team EcoView, I think you have been on our platform earlier also in UG, right?
Yes.
So it was a nice nice meetup, and we wish all the best for your future endeavors, and we look forward to your success. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.